And I've done it before where I've did some cuts. Giga! Thank you so much for the resub for 6 months. And I gotta get the jar. Gotta get the jar. Phone. Somewhere in all this mess is the jar. There we go. Thank you so much for 6 months. How you doing today, Giga? All right. Get you in the jar. See, we got some little teardrops. They could be teardrop earrings. Some dangly ones. And this one. These ones definitely did not mix as well. That's okay. That's okay. Come up with something for it. Just turned out gray, which is okay. It's kind of a bluish gray. Figure out something for that. I'm just trying to. This one's got a little bit of a hole in it. I'm just going to try to close it up a little bit. Hmm. What you up to today, Giga?